Good morning, seventh grade. I hope you are having a wonderful day so far. I hope last weekend you were able to enjoy the weather. It looks like today's weather is supposed to be pretty good, so hopefully you can get out and enjoy the weather and spend some family time there. I just thought I'd go over a few things today for the plan for the rest of the week for you. So 7A, I am going to meet with you on Thursday at 10 o'clock via Zoom, and then 7B, we will meet at 10:30 via Zoom. This isn't mandatory, but I definitely recommend it because people that have questions on the poetry web quest, we're actually going to go over the article Advantage Disadvantage for Girls Only, and get some more information about kind of moving forward in our writing process with that. So I'd highly recommend that you get on, but I understand if you know you're not going to be able to get on, just send me an email and let me know. So those Zoom emails will come, invites will come through Google Classroom. I will put those up in there. And like I said, on Thursday, we will discuss that article. So make sure you have read the article, taken notes. You do not need to send me a copy of the questions. We'll just kind of go over it. I'll call on different people and we'll kind of just discuss the article and kind of analyze it a little bit. So we kind of get an idea of what an advantage disadvantage paper, kind of the organization of it, like how it's set up and things like that. Poetry web quest, I can't stress this enough that you have to read directions. Everything is spelled out right there. If something is confusing to you, let me know. But very important that you read directions, especially with sending me the folder. Don't just send me a whole bunch of Google Docs. I'm trying to organize it and I'll have 46 different poetry quests to look over, and so I need it in a folder, and then all of your work goes kind of in that folder, and just make me a collaborator on that folder. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will be here if you need to email. Some of you have iMessaged me, which is fine. I can do that as well. So take care. I miss you guys, and I will see you on Thursday.